Hello everyone. In this today video we will see how to create a conditional access policy from a template. First of all, navigate to Conditional Access under Protection in the Microsoft Entra portal. Then, in the Conditional Access blade, in the top menu bar, click on Create New Policy from Templates. Select the Zero Trust tab and choose one of the policy. For the purpose of the example, we will simply require multi-factor authentication for admins. Review the summary of the policy and then, click on the Review and Create button. You can leave the policy state selected at Report Only. Review the assignments and on which cloud apps the policy is applied. And finally, click the Create button. And voila! It is created. Feel free to browse other Zero Trust conditional access policy to apply more security at the identity and access level in your Microsoft 365 environment. Do not hesitate to comment, ask question and subscribe to FPE Cloud Security channel. We will provide more content about Microsoft 365 and Google Workspace security.